let's just get right to it, man. I pulled the I just pulled 2 off the top. Make it happen. Best of luck with everyone. Every time we open cases in 2x2s, they come with strategic fire. Don't know how it happens, but it just does. And it makes us all happy here at TC Sports Cards. So hopefully we continue this spree. Just pulling bangers is good for you and good for me. Put the team list back in alphabetical order. Bam. Good luck, everyone. Looks a little bit darker. Aaron, what's up, man? Happy Easter. James Elwanger going out to Jason Thomas for the Twins. Paper first, number to 150. Then we have Mr. Eli and a first Yost and James Tibbs. James Tibbs cards doing well right now. Reptilian, Brody Brecht to the Rockies. Non-first, number to 125. Teal Reptilian. Mr. Connor. How nice would it be to pull a Superfractor? Tyson Lewis and JoJo to the Blue Jays. So difficult to get this guy. I would love if we hit a nice auto of his for Scott. Mason Peters. Looks a little creepy. To the Mariners, X-Fractor first to Seattle. Andrew Salas, and then Beleu first and Aiden West first. Should have our first autograph. No, all right. I guess they're in the rest over there. Shin Ko and then Devin Taylor. Devin Taylor is the guy we want out of here, isn't he? They got 2 first rounders. No, this guy's a second round guy. Trying to remember who they are. Jamie Arnold and someone else. Remind me here, guys. Remind me here. Paper to 499, Malcolm Moore. Hoswar Access, and then Pico Cone to the Yanks and AJ Russell. Ike Irish, non-refractor, Ethan Petrie to the Nationals, and Gavin Turley first. No autos yet. Eli, Nate George, and a Xavier Nayans to the Astros. Are all 3 autos over there, or are we going to get at least 1 from here? Looks like we'll get at least 1 from here. Gustavo Melendez to 99 first. Going out to the Pirates. I forgot I was going to put the autos up there. And then we have Chase Shores to the Angels. Going out to Scott, base auto. Two more autos in this last segment over here coming. Joseph D. and Caleb Wing, first refractors. Second autograph, Caden Bodine. We'll take it. Base auto. First round guy, 30th overall pick. Orioles will be Billy. Billy. Seth Fernandez. And then another Seth Fernandez first. And Kuroda Grauer. Wave Witherspoon to 125, going out to the Tigers. Light blue, Lombardi, followed by Gabe Davis and Mitch Voigt. Don't see him too much. Mitch Voigt's a guy we kind of want to see to the Mets. Third auto, Dean Moss to the Tampa Bay Rays. Going out to Len, who closed out the Rays after they opened back up. So first auto going to you, my friend. Or third auto of this box going out to you. Then we have Josh Hammond and Tommy Troy. And the last spot right here should be all base. We have one die cut, Cade Anderson. In action, non-numbered. Followed by Matt Fisher first and Patrick Forbes first. Okay. That's box number 1. Just move this stuff over here. Might be a world record here, guys. How long can I go without pulling a snack pack? Not the record we want to see, but how long can I go without pulling a snack pack? This is ridiculous. How long can I go without a superfractor? Only about a week, the way it's been going. How long can I go without a snack pack? You know, I don't know, like 3 months. I can't tell, 2-3 months, you know? Haven't pulled one yet since release. When I do pull them, they're all going to be numbered 1 of 5, and they're all 4 going to be autos. And it's going to be Eli, it's going to be Ike, it's going to be Cade. Whoever else we want it to be. There. Cameron Maldonado, Cade Crossland. X-Fractor, non-first, Josuar Gonzalez. Yo, what's up? We got a Caden Bodine auto for you. It's just a base, but we got one. Ike Irish. There, now that you came in, we can start pulling these. And JJ. It was waiting just for you, man. Looks like we got a nice hit coming up. Oh, Gage Wood college card. Haha, Gage Wood college card, baby. Look at that, dude. All it took was you coming for us to pull some fire, man. All right. That's cool, man. All it took was you, Billy, coming in. You come in, we pull fire. And then, is that Bremner right here in the short print? It always sticks to the back card. You guys notice that? Oh, there's another numbered hit right there. It is Bremner. There we go, baby. Scott. Aha, you're funny. Scott Kavanaugh. Nice hit, man. Nolan Sailors, Reptilian to 125. Love it. You had to pull for other teams. Hey, man, I said you brought fire. I never said what kind. Tim P first and Riley Kelly first. Green TB. And not Tiago Barbado, not Tarka Barbado, but the third TB, which is Travis Bazana, number 299. I always put it in the wrong spot. Justin Lampkin, followed by Peter Cassot first. Ah, sorry. One of one, baby. Michael Salina. Can I stop pulling one of ones, y'all? Can I stop pulling one of ones? No, I can't. I can't get a snack pack to save my life, but I can't stop pulling one of ones. Can't stop it, baby. You can't stop me. Michael Salina, San Diego Padres. Justin Hayes. Billy called it. Brings us all to luck for other teams. We'll take it every day of the week. Let's go, baby. Like I said, I can't go a week without pulling a one of one. Jesus Made and Liam Doyle. First sighting over here. Man. Colin, yeah, man. And then Elian Pena. 1, 2, 3 autos. We haven't seen an auto yet, but here's a paper gold Nolan Scubart. To 50. If we're going to get paper, may as well be gold. Yeah! Glad to see you're on here, buddy. Telling you, man. In this case, it's just getting started. Lagrange and Millar. Are we going to get our first auto yet? Yeah, looks like he'll be right here. Cameron Maldonado. Going on to the San Francisco Giants. I believe that's JJ. It is JJ. 70 of 250. Late round guy. You know, bam. Mr. Billy and Connor Griffin. Billy and Mitch, tough to find. So's Dax, but I pulled a lot of his autos. All right. Fourth side, Seth Fernandez to 71. Let's go. He's got the Pirates, baby. JJ. Look at this, baby. Let's go. Ha ha ha. Yeah. 1, 2, 7, 1. Let's go. That's a beaut. That's a beaut. Let's go, baby. This case is happening. This case is going to be straight fire the whole way. Landon Harmon, Christian Fauch. This side always has air, so let's go straight to it. Third side always has air on that last pack. I got our Kyson Witherspoon cut card, Ryan Sloan, and Anthony Ayenson. And we should have one more autograph, you guys. Looks like it's going to be right here. Nate George. No, it's not going to be right here. Nate George, number 250, going out to Orioles. Nanti Jorge. Light blue, Mike Sirota. Yandel Ricardo, Max Williams. And, okay, looks like it'll be over here and probably a base auto. Ethan Frey. Base autograph. EF, baby. EFY. Ethan Frey to the Houston Astros, going out to Josh Locke. Is our number 6 auto. And Nate Snead refractor, Andrew Salas. All right, guys. Recap coming up. First, just a couple notables. Either first round guys or light blue X-Fractor. JoJo, Billy, Liam, Mitch, Seth, Xavier, Mason Peters, X-Fractor, Michael Lombardi, light blue. Then we're going to hit some paper over here. $4.99 Malcolm Moore, James Ellwanger to 150, Nolan Scubart to 50, gold. Numbered hits, Gustavo Melendez to 99, Nolan Sailors 125, Nate George 250, TB, the third kind, to 99, Witherspoon to 125, Brody Brecht to 125. Ethan Frey, base to the Astros, Dean Moss to the Rays, Caden to Billy, Chase Shores to the Angels, Cameron Maldonado to the Giants, number to 250. And then our 4 big hits at a break. I don't know, it's one, yeah, we can't, one-on-one's got to be there. Gage Wood, SSP over here going out to Arkansas, or sorry, the team you drafted to. Tyler Bremner to the Angels, another short print over here. Seth Hernandez, 12 of 71, man. Beautiful on-card speckle autograph going out to JJ. And 1 of 1 Michael Salina, of course. I can't stop pulling it, man. Bowman first, going out to San Diego Padres, Justin.